Hello everyone, it's Bubbles from venomfluidart. Thank you for joining us on another fantastic week on the Fluid Art Express with my amazing art family. So this week I'm going to have a bit of a play on a skin first because I want to test out a new colours that Wombat's made. And then I want to see how cool it's going to look on a bigger piece. So we're going to put them together and have some fun. So put those feet up, let's get toe tapping, listen to the tunes, and I'll see you at the end.
Give him way too much credit. Guess I'm a little too empathetic. Don't need to waste my time trying to prove I'm enough for you. I just happen to make it a habit. I was just fine before I met ya. Don't think that I was counting seconds. Better be worth my time. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine. Hopping around, had the excuses. Read all the lines, yeah, I see through it. Better be worth my time. Better be committed, cause baby, I'm fine. Baby, I'm fine. I'm VIP. Gonna take a lot to get to me. I'm fine. RSVP. Don't interrupt my energy. Doing alright, living a daydream. No, I don't need you to wait me. Better not waste my time. Better be committed, cause baby, I'm fine. Your empty words left me distracted. Guess all this time you were just acting. Rehearsed your lines before you left intentions at the door. Go ahead, accuse me of overreacting. I was just fine before I met ya. Don't think that I was counting seconds. Better be worth my time. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine. Hopping around, hit the excuses. Read all the lines, yeah, I see through it. Better be worth my time. Better be committed, cause baby, I'm fine. I'm VIP. Gonna take a lot to get to me. I'm fine. RSVP. Don't interrupt my energy. Doing alright, living a daydream. No, I don't need you to wait me. Better not waste my time. Better be committed, cause baby, I'm fine. Baby, I'm fine. I'll be alright, with or without you. Don't waste my time. Feeding me lies, I know you're about to. I don't need to wait no more. I don't even miss you. I'm already out the door. No, it's not an issue. Trust me, baby, I'm fine. I'm VIP. Gonna take a lot to get to me. I'm fine. RSVP. Don't interrupt my energy. Doing alright, living a daydream. No, I don't need you to wait me. Better not waste my time. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine. You know I'm fine. Living a daydream. Baby I'm fine.
rolling down the mountain, rolling down the mountain and running into the sea. Can't you feel my heartbeat? Steady as a drum, babe, steady as a drum, babe, I'm crawling to me. No, time moves slow. Feel it in your soul. Let me hear you go. I wanna feel the water as it washes over me. I wanna run with the water, but it pulls me out to sea. Don't you feel the yearning, burning within, yearning for the skin of the one you cannot win? So come a little closer, deep inside your mind, of the capsules and the times when you were free. No, time moves slow. You feel it in your soul. Let me hear you go. I wanna feel the water as it washes over me. I wanna run with the water, but it pulls me out to sea. I wanna feel the water as it washes over me. I wanna run with the water, but it pulls me out to sea. I wanna run, I wanna run, I wanna run with the water, but it pulls me out to sea. Don't be so scared of the monster underneath your bed. The monster's in your head. Don't be so scared of the monster underneath your bed. The monster's in your head. It's been keeping you up at night, deciphering what's truth and lies. You can't run from me, you can't hide from me, you can't run from me, 'cause the monster is living inside. The monster is living inside. Don't be so scared of the monster underneath your bed. The monster's in your head. Don't be so scared of the monster underneath your bed. The monster's in your head. It's been keeping you up at night.
fast as you can. You can't outrun the things in your head. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't outrun the things in your head. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't outrun the things in your head. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't outrun the things in your head. You can't run from me. You can't hide from me.
Alright guys, well, I think those colours on a big piece look pretty cool. That is, loving those new blues, Wombat. They're gorgeous customs. Come together nice, right? Very cool. That was fun. So you can see how even the colours, they do look different from a smaller piece to a larger piece. So that's something to keep in mind too when you're going from smaller to larger. You've got to add more colour. Otherwise they can really fade out. But she's pretty cool. I'm happy with that. So that is it for me this week, guys. I hope you enjoyed and had some fun. And that is it for me. So as always, take care, stay safe. I'll see you in the next one. Have a fantastic day. Go get messy.